It's a cross. It's in.
It was very heartbroken, man, no ball. But that is football. Well, fret not, people. There was a little bit, shine, a ray of hope that came through all of this. And it came in the form of another future Jamaican star might be on his way. Kaheim Dixon, we know, would talk a lot, would speak a lot, and some people probably say we are overhype him. But honestly speaking, this is the first real good look at him in the Jamaican colours against, some proper top-class opponent. And while it was only 18 minutes, and while he didn't necessarily, absolutely almost turn the game around for us in extra time, I must say, watching him for the 18 minutes out there, I was fairly impressed. This boy clearly brought some energy to the team, and just more than that, it showed that, he wasn't overawed by the occasion. He clearly was going out there to do his best to not only earn a spot on future teams, to take his chances, but to also try all he can do to get back his team into it. So, yeah, he run around a lot. He hustled. I mean, even one time he was back at the right back position, pulling off a successful slide tackle. And he did get a slight half chance, though it was on a tight angle and him fluffing lines. But what we see from him so far was encouraging. I know people are going to look and say, oh, we need to cool our horses. A lot of Jamaicans say the same thing about Tyreek McGee and Lemar Walker. And to a point, they're not wrong. But just to think that just November last year, he was playing D-Cup for Clarendon College and then just barely got into the JPL with added just this past January to now be rubbing shoulders with the likes of Pulisic and the US team. It is a fairly impressive rise to stardom for the young kid. I hope he keeps his head on his shoulder, of course. And, of course, I hope he comes back to earn it and ball out for the rest of the season, which can propel him again to maybe get another chance into the Copa America and World Cup qualifiers in the summer. And hopefully from there, he makes his way abroad into a decent club. Who knows, maybe Chelsea, they seem to like the Jamaicans over there. I just want to highlight him because he, along with Dijon Whisper, could eventually become the poster players for the Reggae Boyz in the future. And for now, I think the JPL should really capitalize on him and make him the poster child for the league. But again, let's see. That's if he won't even be here come next season and see how it goes. But as for now, I just have to give him props for a job well done. And also basically give kudos to the rest of the team. I think they played very well despite what happened in the end. And honestly, they gave all they could. It made me proud of Jamaica watching the match. Yeah, that's all I got here on this small video. Let us see if he gets the start or play some more minutes in the third place match that's coming on Sunday against Panama. But until then, we'll keep it locked and keep watching. And we have to say big up again to the young man. Anyway, people, that's it. I'm out. Big up again, YouTube.